Hi guys, so today I'm going to be taking you step by step of how to make a Prezi. So you're going to be using Prezi to make a digital story, and your digital story is going to be an about me story. So I wanted to include information about yourself, some pictures, some interesting facts, and some just fun information about you. Okay, so you should be logged into Prezi, you should be on your home screen, and you're going to go over and hit new presentation. It will open up a new page for you. Okay, and then you have a list of templates that you get to choose from. I think I'm going to go with something a little bit simple. You can always add to it and make it more fun if you want. Alright, so this is the basic layout of our Prezi. So you can always select a box and you can move it around if you don't like how it looks. But we're going to start with our first square. And so you're going to, for your title, since this Prezi is going to be about you, you can write something along the lines of about me, and then put your name. And then we can add pictures too. So maybe on the next slide, we want to add a picture. So you're going to go up to Insert, Images, and it'll bring you to your documents and your files that you could choose a picture from. So I'm going to go to Photos. I'm going to scroll through, and I'm going to add this one of me, my siblings, and my grandma. We'll resize image if it's too large. Okay. So we'll make it the appropriate size. Make it a little smaller to fit the box. Perfect. And for the title, I could put My Family and I. Okay. And for the next one, I can put where I went to school. So I went to school in Florida. I went to the University of South Florida. I'm going to make this into a bullet. So I'll go over here and I'll hit this little bullet. There we go. And I received my bachelor's communication. Okay. Okay, and I think I want to add a picture of my school here. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to go to Google. Okay, and I'm going to type in University of South Florida. I'm going to go to Images. Let's see, what's a good one? Do this one. Go to Visit. Perfect. So go back to our Prezi tab. Insert, Image. Go to Desktop where I saved it to. Perfect. Okay, and so in making your Prezi, that's just what you're going to continue to do. You just come over here to the left-hand side, and you're going to select, a new slide, and it'll take you to a new window, a new bubble to add in more information. You'll write a little bit about yourself, add some pictures. And you can select any of these little circles and you can rearrange it. If you don't like how it looks, just move it around. You just click on it. And that little hand right there, you just click on the hand and you can move it. Alright, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be happy to help.